In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2024, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by accessing the Gallery app and clicking on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Either way, after selecting all of your photos that you wish to delete, hold one of them, and to pick multiple right away, use this icon at the top right corner. To keep some, click on the chosen ones, and to delete the rest, use bin icon at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up after 5 seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!